Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about how to fix unable to check for update and error occurred while checking for a software update. So guys, if you are trying to update your device to the latest version of iOS and you are unable to update it and you get this problem or message on your device, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions and tips to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution is that you will have to make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. And if your internet connection like Wi-Fi is working properly and you are still facing this problem, you will have to turn it off and you will have to use your mobile data to fix this problem. So guys, use your mobile data and try. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to tap on or open your settings, and from here open your profile and scroll it below and tap on sign out. So guys, sign out your Apple ID for one time and sign in again and try to update your device again. So guys, after this, go back and from here tap on general and from here tap on iPhone storage. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that there is enough space available in your iPhone. So guys, make it sure that there is enough space available in your iPhone to update your device. So guys, after this, scroll it below and make it sure that there is no app downloading in your device. So guys, if there is any download pending in your device, update it first to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go back and from here tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you will have to just make it sure that there is no VPN connected on your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN on your device, you will have to just disconnect it to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go back for the final solution for this problem, that is you will have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset, and from here just tap on reset network settings. So guys, give here your passcode and reset your network setting on your device. So guys, after this, try to fix this problem. So guys, hopefully after all the solutions your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.